How to make money with affiliate marketing using an AI. Hello guys and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using AI for with your affiliate marketing. So let's get into it. So as you all know, affiliate marketing is very common, and it is basically you promote other people's products or services and become an affiliate, and whenever a person buys their products using your link of the affiliate, you're going to make some money as commission. So it's a very simple process. You can go on. There are a lot of sites that offer affiliate marketing like CPA Grip. You have other websites as well. So you can start affiliate marketing and become an affiliate and start promoting just by anywhere. But how you can use it with AI involved and how you can earn money with affiliate marketing using an AI, it's very important to know because AI is taking over the market these days. So you need to be step ahead of everyone. So first of all, I have this software right here for me, which is there's an AI for that. Okay, so it's the name is a little complicated, but it is the platform which allows you to know everything, every platform that has being launched that has something related to AI and that works on AI. So you can go on and check that out and you can start using that as soon as it is launched in the market. So here you can see that these are some just launched platforms. You have subject line generator, you have Bizway, Bottle, Foshia, the Scallion, a weekly workout, heard that, Kahma, Kai app. So you can see that there are a lot of things, that there are a lot of apps, and depending upon their their parent niche, they have also subjected, like this is Boxy, which is for coding, AI voice assistant, as the name is voice assistants, Rasai.io newsletters, Arya Open AI is ChatGPT for Opera, Clone My Voice is voice cloning. So there are a lot of different softwares that are coming in. They are basically being launched that work on AI. So you can just click on this option which says sign in to save AIs, and you can integrate your Google account with this, and you can save these AI softwares, and you can go on and check them out whenever you want. So why I'm showing you this is that because you can go on and any of these platforms that have just launched, because all of these platforms offer an affiliate program. So you can become an affiliate for each of these platforms, and you can because AI is in the market these days. So whenever you are going to promote these kind of platforms, that people are gonna they want to check it out and they're gonna buy their programs, and then you are going to earn commission on that. So one of these platforms that I have chosen today is meetcody.ai. So it is a AI assistant for business. It basically handles all of your business transactions and problems and questions. It can answer all of your questions. You can basically just you have to input all the data about your business into MeetCody. So coming on to MeetCody, here you can see that this is their main page. You can customize it for different uses. You can write articles. You can generate emails, and there are a lot of stuff that MeetCody can use. No keyword searches, no regurgitated answers, and no need to give context every time. So instant answers to your business questions and provide sources. Okay, so this is MeetCody. So how you can become an affiliate for MeetCody, just scroll down to the bottom, and here you can see that an about tab is here. Here is an offer of affiliate. Open that. Okay, so to become an affiliate, you need to add in your email, your first name, and then your password, and then you need to sign up. I'm going to just gonna continue with this process, and then I'll show you guys how you can complete the whole. Okay, so in order to continue with the whole, this, I have to select the payout method. The payout method that is available is PayPal, and the minimum payout is $50. So I can just go on and select my PayPal, but for that I have to enter my PayPal account, email, and then password and everything. But the main gist is that you have your dashboard, you have your details, referrals, rewards, and payouts right here. So when you sign up, after selecting the payout method, you're gonna get your dashboard of Cody, affiliate program, details and referrals, and etc. So whenever a person is going to download Cody that is related to that is being referred by you, then you are going to see into the referrals and you're gonna make money. So the best thing about Cody is that it gives you 20% recurrent commission. So recurrent commission means that it is going to give you 20% commission per month when the person keeps on using Cody. So if they just stop using Cody, or they're not using, then you won't get it. You are gonna get your first commission, then you're not gonna get the recurrent commission. But if they keep using it, then you're gonna get the recurrent commission as well, and which is a really good thing because Cody is a paid platform and people pay monthly to use it, even the business advisors and everyone. So when they are paying monthly, then you get paid monthly as well. So this is the way that you can continue keep making money using AI, becoming the affiliate for all of these AI platforms. So there is another way that you can make money using an AI as well, which is obviously the traditional way of affiliate programming, the affiliate marketing, that you go on, you get some affiliates, sell digital products or services, and you get money by whenever that product is sold or something. But how you can integrate AI in that, and how AI can make that easy for you. So first of all, in that sense, chat gpt is going to be our answer. You can build a blogging website through the help of Google Sites. As you all know, Google Sites is very easy to use. I have a lot of tutorials on how to use Google Sites as well. Go check them out if you don't know about it, but it is a website builder by Google and it's very easy to use. So what you can do is you can continue by making a blogging website on Google Sites, and then you can go on and enter your affiliate links into that blogs. And when you add those affiliate links into your blogs, then you can promote your blogs by making it promoting it on Instagram, by promoting it on Pinterest as pins, or on YouTube Shorts. That completely up to you. But having a blog with affiliates integrated looks very, very professional, rather than just having a link uploaded on any of these platforms, because that doesn't look authentic at all. So blogging seems a little too much but for that purpose, ChatGPT is our answer. Okay, so what ChatGPT is gonna do for you is it is going to write a whole blog for you. For example, I give it a command to write a blog on street fashion, just for the sake of it, just to show you guys. I'm going to ask it to write a blog on street fashion. So I'm just going to give it a command, and now it is going to create a whole blog for me. Title: Embracing Street Fashion, Unleashing Individuality and Creativity. Introduction: The Rise of Street Fashion. Then it is going to give some couple of more headings: The Essence of Street Fashion, Key Elements of Street Fashion, Versatility, Subcultural Influences, Comfort and Functionality, Impact and Evolution, and furthermore social media influencers. And there is a conclusion. So it is a whole blog generated with headings and everything that it needs. And you can just go on, copy this whole blog, paste it onto your blogging on your Google Sites, and there you go, you have got your blog. Now what you need to do is you just have to integrate your affiliate link here, and then you can paste it here. After every paragraph you can add your affiliate link, so you're good to go. Whenever a person is reading the blog, they can go on and check that link out if they think that it can be a fashion apparel site. And like I have written a blog on street fashion, so that might be the your affiliate, that you are selling some kind of you are the affiliate for some kind of street fashion brand, and you're promoting their product. So this is how it works. You can make a blog on the niche that you are affiliate marketing on, and then you can continue to affiliate here and to promote your links by making a blog or whatever you like. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to Softwares Made Easy. Thank you.